Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today we will discuss how to calculate eBay shipping cost. So to do that, we will need to use our browser. So open your preferred browsing system and search for shipping calculator eBay and open this official page of eBay shipping calculator. Here you need to enter the package weight, dimensions. Those numbers should be accurate because this is crucial for getting the right shipping cost. Then you need to select the country you're shipping from, to write your zip code and country the package will be delivered to. So here is the expanding list and zip code as well. So for example, I will enter some random data. So for example, my data about my package will look like this, and then but of course you need to enter your data about your package, and then press this blue button, see shipping cost, and then you need to check whether these shipping details are correct, and then select shipping service. So there are some options. For example, I will choose UPC for example, and here you will see all the variations about your delivery. So this is very convenient instrument, and I hope it will help you to calculate your shipping cost. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.